Hello, I'm Jessie with Simply Refreshing Life, and I'm coming to you today because I want to talk to you about an amazing oil. It comes with the premium kit from Young Living. So when you subscribe to Young Living, you will receive this box right here. And when you open it, you will find all the oils in here. And you see one missing because I just took it out. It's the lavender essential oil. And this is the one I want to talk to you about. It's actually one of my favorites, or one of our favorites. But don't be surprised if I say that all the oils are my favorite, because I love them all. But lavender has many uses. It's actually called the Swiss Army of oils because it's very versatile. It has a lot of uses. Um, One of my favorite uses is for healthy skin. I actually use it on my daily cream for day and night. I make my own, use it coconut oil and shea butter, and I can share the recipe in some other time. But it's great because lavender oil has a lot of antioxidants that help prevent and help with wrinkles. It is also great for the hair, so you can add a couple drops in your shampoo and it will help give you great healthy hair. It also promotes relaxation and promotes great sleep. Um, it can also be very effective as an insect repellent in your skin and might relieve the itching if the bite already occurs or when it occurs. It has helped me with my menstrual discomforts when I apply it on my abdomen. Um, I It is very safe for this oil to be applied directly to the skin. However, you can dilute it, and you will dilute it in oils such as coconut oil or avocado oil, and you can apply it to the skin. My son Adrian has very sensitive skin, and he tolerates lavender on his skin by itself, so it's just entirely up to you. But let me share with you some testimonies about people using Young Living lavender oil. So Alex says that he uses it to relax or to relieve head tension. Robbie says that her daughter got stung by a bee, and lavender actually helped her to reduce the redness and discomfort in the bite area. Angie said that she never liked lavender essential oil smell until she tried Young Living essential oil. And I've heard that before. I actually heard that the odor of the lavender is not good and all that, but they haven't really tried the real thing. It is true you can buy essential oils anywhere now. I've even seen them in Dollar Tree. But what I like about Young Living, or what makes Young Living different, is the seed to seal guarantee and the promise that this is the purest oil that you're going to find in the market. And what that is that they really take care of their plants. Even the soil that is going to be planted on, it has no pesticides or nothing, no toxins or anything. They weed by hand. Once the plant is ready to be harvested, they do the oil in very carefully in very low temperatures and in stainless steel containers. And they, after all that, it goes through a process in the laboratory to make sure that it is pure and safe. If they find anything wrong with it at that point, they won't even bottle it. So that's the guarantee, the seed to seal guarantee. So that's why when you smell the lavender essential oil from Young Living, it's just a whole different ballgame. So she said that. Another testimony I have here is Maria. She says, I love it in my bath. It's so relaxing with Epsom salts. And then Sophia said, I love it in my sugar scrub. She said, I use coconut oil and white sugar, and then I add lavender essential oil, and I use it on my skin. I also actually have used that, and it's amazing. It leaves the skin so soft, and the scent is just amazing. I love lavender oil. Here in my house, as I said before, we use it a lot. I've even used it as a perfume because I really love the smell of lavender in this one, and it's the real thing. So I totally recommend it. It's part of your kit. And if you're interested in knowing more about getting your kit, please let me know. You can comment here, under here, and you can share this video as well. and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.